WBRC Fox 6 Law Call.
And welcome back in tonight. Thank you again for joining us this evening for a topic that really covers just about anything. Ask Us Anything is our topic for this evening. We have attorney Joy Travis here with us to help render answers. We're going to turn now to David in Walker County. David, we appreciate your patience this evening. If you will, go right ahead with your question.
Yes, I have 5 dogs on my property. I live over 1,000 feet off the highway on a secluded road. I have signs up that says posted, no trespassing. Plus, beside of the signs, you can't help but see them if you walk up to my house. I have one that says a bad dog on it, too. It's really posted. And I just wonder if one of these dogs bites somebody that comes up to my house, am I responsible for that?
That's a great question, David. Thank you so much for your question. Joy?
Yeah, it sounds like you've done everything that you need to do to make sure you're taking the necessary steps for precaution, but unfortunately it doesn't sound like it's as cut and dry as, you know, it may seem. So I don't think I can give you a legal, no, you are not responsible, or yes, you are responsible, because there will be some other things to consider within that. I think that you've taken the right measures to have the no trespassing signs and to give some notice, but there could still be some situations that will lead you to be liable if one of your dogs does bite someone.
Yeah, so I got just a question. Are you still there, caller?
It's David.
Yeah.
Okay, hey, question. So are these dogs are your dogs?
Well, I've got 3 that I know they would never bite. They're just big barkers. But I've got 2 that are strays here that have been here forever, but they're not my dogs. They're just strays. But one of them can get a little aggressive, and I'm afraid she might bite somebody. I don't know. But that's what I was asking. Would I be responsible for those dogs too?
Just curious. I mean, that's just kind of an interesting question.
Interesting.
Do you feed the dogs, the strays?
Well, everybody in the neighborhood does.
Yeah.
But they seem to like it here, and I went and I did have them vaccinated to be safe.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so they're
But
kind of
they're
your
really
dogs.
not my dogs.
Yeah.
But yeah, but they're here.
So like Joey was saying, you know, you've put no trespassing signs up, things like that, but what if a kid comes over there, you know, wanders over there? What about the Amazon delivery guy, all right? Or, you know, someone delivering from UPS or whatever. So there's some scenarios, or maybe you invite somebody over, okay, to come over, you know, to your house one evening and, you know, something happens. So that you can still be responsible for those types of people.
Yeah, what can he do? What should he do?
Well, I mean, if somebody comes over, you got to keep them locked up.
Right.
But let's say he's not home and a kid, for some reason, the ball comes over the fence and the kid comes, or the Amazon driver comes in the middle of the day.
They still need to be locked up.
Then
You got to keep them locked
still
up.
have to
I
keep
mean,
them locked up.
they're going to be yours. Make sure you got homeowners that covers you and covers someone if they get injured. You know, make sure you have that. Now, that's not the way to prevent it, but it's something that everybody needs to make sure about, is that they have some insurance that would cover that on their home. So, but yeah, I mean, you're going to be responsible if you don't keep them locked up.
Wow. Well, it just reminds me, I'm so sorry, David. No good deed goes unpunished.
Well,
He's
I mean,
getting them vaccinated.
Take care of them.
He's calling to make sure, you know, he's doing the right thing. Going,
Yes.
hey, could I be responsible?
Yes.
Yeah.
And we're saying yes, and now he knows what to do.
That's true.
Yeah.
That is very true. Well, David, thank you. We appreciate you calling and calls like that just to help educate all of us in a scenario like that. So thank you so much.